Hi everyone and welcome to Girl Talk World. It's Carly here and today I'm going to be showing you this wonderful issue of Girl Talk Art. It's a special doodle and make bag, issue 107. It's out now, so please, if you know what's good for you, go get your hands on a copy. It's got some awesome gel pens to add to all of your wonderful stationery collections. Let's have a look at the rest of the issue. There's a special doodle and make bag, so we've got a lot of colouring going on, which obviously is what your gel pens are going to come in handy for. It's a lovely slogan poster over here. And you can either keep these guys for your wall or just to keep them in the book, or you can hand them out to friends and family. And who said Christmas had to be all about cold and winter woes? We've got Santa here in his swim shorts, in a lovely Hawaiian shirt, on the beach, feeling all tropical. So I know these little pinks and yellows are going to come in absolutely fabulous here. And we've got a little doodle list. So write 10 things down that you love to draw and then use them to fill the opposite side of the page. So I'm going to say I love to draw a unicorn, a panda, and then I'll draw them all there. Yeah, that'll keep you busy for a while, little boredom buster. This is a little doodle of me actually, all winter long, wrapped up in my lovely woolly scarf with a nice cup of tea. Here we've got lovely Latte Page. So turn a plain coffee cup, which you've got here, into a colourful masterpiece. So once again, the pens on the front will be awesome for this, but if you want to add some from your own collection, then that would be cool as well. As colourful as you can, really. Such an adorable little penguin. So cute. Frosty and fabulous. Doodle lots of different snowflake designs here. But I used to absolutely love drawing snowflake designs because you can make them as different, as wonderful as you want. None of them have to be the same. And did you know, guys, no snowflake is ever the same. They're all individual patterns. And think how many snowflakes there are in the world. Oh, I love donuts. Not do I only love eating them, of course, you know what I'm like, but also drawing them. So yeah, these look really cool with the sprinkles. Oh, never forget a person's big day. So here's just a little calendar for you to write all your friends and family and all your loved ones' birthdays in. Don't forget your pets, guys, because they will be offended. And then you can actually pull this out carefully and stick it on your wall so you've got a calendar for all year round. So no excuses, guys. You can't forget your mum's birthday because I'm hoping you can have it down. My mum's would be there, 22nd of July. I'm not going to tell you her age because she would not be happy about that. Oh, little snow globe with, I was going to say penguin, not penguin, snowman. Oh, I love his little hat. That's going to be so much fun to colour because there's all little higgledy bits going on. And here, fill the snow globe with a festive frosty scene. So draw whatever you want, guys. Whether you want it like Santa's grotto, sort of gingerbread house going on, or some elves, some naughty little elves. Or some reindeers, anything. Or maybe it's your living room at Christmas, you know? Whatever you want. Make it just festive and for you. Design it yourself, have fun. And to finish off, a lovely slogan poster. Have an amazing new year. And that's what I just want to say to you lot. Honestly, have a great time. Hope you have so much fun over the Christmas. And make sure you go get this issue of Girl Talk Art magazine. You won't be disappointed, and I can promise you now you'll have so much fun. Thanks for watching and go get a copy. See you later. Bye.